On the Revenge of the Sith DVD cover, there's one detail that was missed in the final printing before the movie hit the shelves. As you know, Anakin has a very noticeable scar on the right side of his face that he got from Asajj Ventress while in an intense fight with her. However, on the 2005 DVD cover for the movie, Anakin's face is missing the said scar. He has a clean, handsome face in the picture, but in the movie, he has a manly, gnarly scar. A small detail, but a noticeable one. If you like Star Wars, hit that subscribe button. May the Force be with you.